Hello everybody, happy Friday. Welcome to JH Kids Connect. Charlie Bird back in the house. We've got some exciting news to tell you. What happened this week?
I had a birthday.
And how old did you turn?
6.
Wowzer! We had a birthday, a lockdown birthday.
And then I'll have another one at school, and then one at home with my friends, and then one with my cousin.
Yeah, we were a little bit sad on the day, weren't we? Hey, you started off the day a little bit sad. Charlie wasn't quite sure how it was going to pan out, but it seemed to pan out okay. We're going to just run things a little bit differently today. We've got a little bit of lockdown fatigue, to be honest. I'm sure many of you are feeling the same way. I feel like our house isn't in order. I feel like I've dropped the ball with the kids. And we've actually had a little bit of a lazy week. But we have done a few crafts which we want to share with you, and maybe that'll inspire you to do a few things with your kids this weekend. Quite a few they can do on their own as well. So which one should we start with, Charlie Bird? The houses. Okay. So let me just tell them the backstory. So we made, first of all, just explain what we did is we are getting low on stock. So I've got like this much glitter left. I don't have a lot of glue left. We literally are now really working with the recycled stuff that we have and that we've been collecting.
So I made this one, and it.
What did you use to make it? Because I drew a purple doorknob on it. We used milk bottles, but I wanted to explain what this is about. So I don't know if you've ever come across these. These are the coolest little brandy bottles which you get on KLM flights. You can find them in vintage shops all over.
And they have wine in them.
They've got brandy in them. I love them. I think it's gin in them, actually. I absolutely love them. They're meant to look like the little houses you get in Amsterdam. And I don't know, there's something about them that I just find so appealing. And then I saw the coolest craft on Pinterest, and we tried it at home.
Yeah, but Mommy made houses that aren't so good because she didn't make a door that opens and closes.
So Charlie had a really good idea.
So you just make windows and then a hot doorknob.
So then you don't cut all the way through so that you can have a doorway. Why are you licking your tongue? So this is actually such a cool game for them to play. You can make a little city. They can play with their Sylvanians or their Lego people in and out. Play neighbor,
I have
neighbor.
Sylvanian bunnies.
Yeah, so you could use your Sylvanian bunny to make a little city. So this was really fun to do, really easy, and we seem to have a lot of these cartons lying around. Do yourself a favor, really make sure you clean them properly. I opened one of these lids last night and I nearly passed out. It was so disgusting. So that's our one little craft that we've accomplished the last few days.
Paper.
Oh, now, I know that you guys have got toilet rolls lying around because there's one thing that people stockpiled on, it was loo paper. So we've been seeing loads of toilet roll people floating around the web, and we decided to make our own.
Yeah.
Here's our little king.
I've been
it's
begging.
a bit bright in here. Sorry guys, let's just turn that.
I made an angel.
There's a little king there. Can you see him?
Nope.
Where's your angel?
Yeah.
Charlie had a fab idea. We found some doilies.
And
So
I
bright.
cut it to make
And she
an
made
angel.
some really cute wings. And I used some of the, remember that wool that we spoke about in our first episode when I had these amazing things I was going to teach the kids to knit? Well, we haven't got that far with Charlie's, and Ava's was a bomb. So we used some of her rainbow wool, and we made a crazy man. Can you see him? Sorry guys, the light in here isn't ideal. There's our crazy man. Now these are really, really fun to make. Really easy.
Yeah, and you don't even need to take string. You can just paint the hair.
Come sit here so they can see you, Birdie. So literally paint, wool, glitter to make our king's crown over there. Can you see? Oh, sorry about the light. And one thing that was quite fun is I unearthed some craft scissors with a nice squiggly edge. And then I also found this craft punch, which was really cool. So it's really nice for them. It's quite good for our hand coordination. They had to paint it. They had to learn patience to let everything dry. And then afterwards we stuck on some eyes and painted on a face. Really fun. And of course our toilet paper, I stuck the eyes on the king. Our toilet roll people can go and live in these little houses, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you like that idea? Sit here so people can see you, Birdie. Now something else we did actually on Charlie's birthday, and I spotted this over on another friend's website. It's not our...
On my birthday,
100%
my mom made a tennis racket.
We made a tennis racket using chopsticks and good old paper plates. Where's the balloon, Charlie?
Oh.
We made balloon tennis. Oh, it's in the other room, don't worry. Really fun, really easy for the kids to do.
Just take the toothpick onto here.
The chopstick, literally just tape the chopstick onto the paper plate, and you have tennis rackets, the simplest thing in the world. And we had a couple of balloons from Charlie's birthday party, and we played that as a family for a little bit, and it was really cute. And then the last thing that we're doing is...
And it doesn't work with balls.
Yeah, it doesn't work with balls because these are too flimsy. Hey, balloons, perfect for this. If you have any balloons around, if you're looking, if anybody has a birthday, Checkers has got some, and they let me buy them. So that was quite a bonus. And then another thing to do is carton paper, leftover roll, the roll holder thingy in the middle. What do you call these?
Those are toilet paper rolls, too bit longer.
The big ones from the kitchen towel. And literally, again, you know me and my paper plates, how we love these. These are some leftovers from when the kids were painting. We just cut a hole in there, and you can literally do it just to play ring toss with the kids.
Yeah.
Really fun to do. A cute little 5-minute when they're moaning that they're bored. A break in the monotony of some of these days. Some of these days are getting long, I'm noticing. The doorbell did ring, but Daddy will get it, don't worry. So just to recap, our short and sweet craft date with you guys today. We made little houses out of our milk cartons for our Sylvanians or for our toilet paper, toilet roll people. Here are our toilet roll people. Here, let's see if we can get the light. Oh, it's too bright in here. Guys, sorry, we should have sat somewhere else. We should have walked somewhere else on Monday. Charlie made a beautiful angel. Charlie's angel.
Yeah.
She's gorgeous, Birdie.
Mom just painted.
And here is our king. Let's hold him there. And can you see what I did with the craft scissors to make his crown? I'm really proud of that. I'm just going to share it with you right now. And
though the king's crown was actually these scissors.
With the craft scissors. Literally the easiest thing in the world is to use up some paint, Koki pens, wool, doilies. What else do we use?
Toilet paper rolls.
Toilet paper rolls, obviously,
A
and
puncher.
the little bit of glitter that I'm
A whole
eking
puncher.
out until the end of
And
lockdown.
did you see on my birthday I got a slap bag?
And then also we made our little
Ooh.
tennis rackets using chopsticks and paper plates to play with balloons. Guys, this is really, really, really fun. Really had fun with these. And then we're going to do our ring toss using kitchen paper towel and paper plates again, cut holes in them. So that, guys, is our short and sweet little recap. We just came in to wish you a happy Friday, to say hang in there. We're flattening the curve, guys. We're doing really well. We should be proud of ourselves. And I hope you have a wonderful afternoon and weekend. I don't know what you're up to. We are definitely going to be doing some sorting at home.
Yeah.
Because the house is looking messy here. And some cooking.
Yeah.
I really, really am in the mood for some cooking. And we may go and drop some food off for people who don't have a lot of food at the moment. So we're sending you lots of love from GH Kids Connect, and we will see you again on Monday.